Good morning, folks. It's May 22nd, Wednesday morning, 8:25 a.m. In the morning pre-market hours. The S&P looks like it's going to go up today as well. So the market's really been on a very steady climb, and let's see what happens. Let's take a look at all of our trades. And let's see, the Amazon's doing quite well, and we are exactly at the midpoint of our profit zone. So we've got an open profit of about 670. There's still about $700 left to go. So at this point, I don't see the need to do anything. Our short is at 245. Amazon's almost at 270. Google, it should be doing okay. We've already pocketed a profit of about 4,700. So although we are down still on the position by about 600, short put is at 840 now. And if you recall, this was a position that had gone against us in the beginning. So at this point, if we can recover what we lost, as well as I think there was a max profit of about 1,200 or 1,400 on this trade. So 840 looks to be a very safe distance. Obviously, the only problem is because we had this as a bull call first, a bear put first, and now we've converted it into a bull put. There's quite a bit of time left. So what we really need for this position to profit is for Google to continue its march upward. LinkedIn is doing good. We've pocketed $1,700 in profit already on this trade. Our short put is at 170. Our short call is at 200. You can see LinkedIn is right in the middle of that trade. Yesterday, Priceline pulled back some, and what we have now is, I think it was way past 840, and what we still have a $4,600 profit on our short put. So at some point, we may want to take this off so that we can maximize our any downward move. I mean, Priceline's moved up quite significantly in the last few days. So let's see how that goes. Then we had our SPXL. The SPXL yesterday, we put the straddle on. It was a 20 contract straddle. You can see it's up already by $600. If the market continues to go up, we have a positive delta. So this should really benefit us as we go forward. Tesla, the trade went well, and you can see we've got 2 days left on this weekly. We have a profit of 550 out of a maximum of 700. So I think I'll close this out today. If we get a decent, even if we get a slight move up, I think we should be able to close this out today, because right now Tesla is at 87 and our short put is at 80. So even though there's only 2 days left, it's not a good idea for the stock price to come close to the short put. So we might want to just pocket the profit on Tesla and go on from there. There's a couple of trades I'm looking at going forward. You can see today gold is going to make a big move today. You can see GLD is up almost $2 on the pre-market. It's up to 134. I wanted to put a straddle on GLD as well, and we'll see if today gives us an opportunity to do that, because GLD has been volatile, and in general that's always a good time to put a straddle on. And Costco has been moving up very well. These are the two stocks I'm looking at. If you look at the Costco chart, Costco actually, in December of 2012, they declared a $7 dividend, and that stock had come down to 98 at that point, and we actually took a call at that point, and then we sold the position here. Now Costco seems to be hitting up the upper Bollinger Band. Costco is a strong stock, so I wouldn't go in on any major shorting position. However, I think a small pullback is due. Costco's gone up nicely all the way to 113. So I'm looking at this. Let's see what Costco does today. If it continues to go up a little bit, then perhaps what we can do is put a bear call around the 120 or 125 level. But we'll take a look at how it's going. Costco volatility has been going up. Here I have a field called average true range. You can see now the average true range is the range of price movement in the past 14 days. Of course, you can configure this number. But what we have is you can see the average true range has been increasing. So you can see, so on a daily basis, Costco is moving almost $1.4. So that's a pretty high movement for Costco. So let's see how we can position this trade. I'm thinking a bear call of about at around 120 or 125 if the option prices go. But right now it still looks up, so we'll be monitoring these two positions, these two stocks today, both the GLD as well as the Costco. Thanks, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.